seal on the loose. These derps got stuck in a stormed rain. I don't think they're worried. This gentleman was apprehended today while committing a burglary of a vending machine at Pine Ridge High School. How do you even get stuck like this? My dog was very distressed about this. Shiba Inu gets stuck in bush, pretends everything is okay. My dachshund puppy got stuck in the couch cushions. I guess this is my life now. Maddie trapped herself in the basement and was too polite to bark. This is how I found out. Ed's big mistake. This piece of bread has a pigeon stuck on it. I guess I'm stuck here for Christmas. Ready for combat. The OG Hawaiian sweet roll. He got stuck. I saved him, but first I had to get this picture. Couldn't find our dog this morning. After letting her out, thought she ran away. Turns out she dug a tunnel under the playhouse and got stuck like this trying to get back out. Stuck between a bed and a scratching post. Possum freed and rehabbed. Trapped himself in the shower at some point during the night. Woke up to scared whining. Heard something going on in the kitchen, then heard screams of bloody murder. Walked in and saw this. A goat stuck in my trash can. This idiot got himself stuck today. This fat fool had to be rescued by animal control. How does a guinea pig get stuck? Cow got stuck in a tree. Thought I was monkey, but am doggo. Bamboozled again. The situation at my friend's apartment right now. Golden Retriever regrets. My dog chewed a hole through his towel and stuck his head through it. Now he wears it around the house like a poncho. Is this what people mean when they say their dog is broken? Asking for a friend. Trash panda got stuck in a stormed rain. Public Works employees set it free. Hey mom, your damn cat got stuck in the curtains again. I stuck an empty toilet paper tube on his leg, and he gave me this look. My coworker's dog got herself stuck underneath their shed. My friend's cat got its head stuck in a vase, freaked out, broke the vase, and was left with this. Let my dog out into the garden. 2 minutes later I hear her barking and go outside to see this. I came in to find my tortoise like this. Putting the clues together, it seems he pooped, got it stuck on his foot, ran in circles trying to get it off, and flipped over. A raccoon stuck in a tree. She never thought the toilet paper roll would fight back. He got stuck. Oh, I wonder where the chicken wee. PS. She's fine. She just thinks she's a cat, and then Get stuck when she cannot liquefy like a cat. Stuck in a hammock. My cat got stuck today. Frog got stuck in my terrarium tonight, it belonged here. So this happened. Yes, I rescued it. My old boy who came to let me know he'd found the BBQ brush got it stuck in his butt. Mistakes were made. It required a call to the non-emergency fire dispatch, 4 and lots of treats. She was unharmed, just filled with regret and shame. And one dead baby gate. When I rescued him, he hissed at me and burrowed back in. Larry got his head stuck in the tape again. Our cat got stuck in a booby trap. Came home to trash everywhere in the house. Compelling evidence found.